This is a review of the Asakuki oil diffuser, and this has a 72-hour water reservoir. I typically fill mine with filtered water or distilled water. And this is an amazing diffuser, scent diffuser. You can have the light on, which rotates between various colors. Or you can have the light off. And then mist-wise, as long as you have there's a green dot. Here, let me turn this off. So there's a green dot. And you can select whether 60 minutes, 180 minutes, 360 minutes, or just on. So that's like continuous on. Add a couple drops of your essential oil, place the top, and then select the duration of which you'd like to have your oil diffuser to work.